Let's face it, nobody likes you. Peppers don't like you, tomatoes don't like you, carrots don't like you. The whole vegetable section is against you. Me, oh, I think you know what I think about you. What's that noise? What's that sound? No, no! Do you know who I am? You, do you know who I am? How about you guys? Don't you know who I am? Somebody must know who I am. 87 aubergines fell on my head. I lost my memory. Please tell me who I am. You, bring 200 of your friends. Come back and hit me again. I need to know my past. Come on, guys. Please tell me. You, I wish you lonely and isolated section in the supermarkets. You, tell me please. I've got to know who I am, what I am. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? How about you guys? Cut, cut, cut. How about you guys? Do you know who I am? You, do you know who I am? How about you guys? Do you know who I am? Take 500. Do you know who I am? How about you? Do you know who I am? You guys, do you know who I am? Cut.